Hello students, welcome to Smart Kids Tutorials. In this video, we will be solving the first question from exercise 1.2 of your chapter Knowing Your Numbers. This video is made specially for class 6 students to help them to understand the problem that is given and how to solve, whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, how to identify what type of operation to do when a word problem like this is given. Let's have a look at the first question. It says a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. What this question tries to tell us is that there is a book exhibition. An exhibition is where you have various books at display, and you go to that display and see whether you would like to purchase the book, what types of books are available, okay, and you also get to read those books over there to see whether you would like to purchase that book or not. Now, at such an exhibition, it is said that it was held in a school and it was held for 4 days. And for entry to that exhibition, there were tickets sold. Okay. Now, tickets were sold on all these 4 days, but every day the tickets that were sold were not the same. So that is why it is given that the tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final days was different, and it is given over here. So when it says respectively, it tells you that this for the first day, second day, third day and for the final day. So for the first day 1094 was sold, for the second day 1812 was sold, for the third day 2050 was sold, and for the final day 2751 was sold. Now what it is asking us to do is to find out the total. That means 4 days the exhibition was held, and totally how many tickets were sold for on those 4 days. We have been given tickets that were sold on each and every day, but we are not told how many tickets were sold in total. Okay, so that is what we need to find out. Now when we have to find out the total number of tickets in such cases, okay, where the numbers are different and you have to just find out the total, that itself tells you that you have to add them up. Only when you add them you will get the total. When you go to school, okay, now you go to school every day of the week, right? And when you go every day, the teacher marks attendance. So for day 1 teacher will mark attendance for day 1, day 2 teacher will mark it, and so it goes on. And then at the end of the week you have a Sunday, that is a holiday, so you have gone from Monday to Saturday. Now if you count the number of days from Monday to Saturday, it will give you the total. And how do you get the total? By adding them up. That will show how many days you have gone to school for the week. So similarly over here as well, you need to add this total up, and only when you add you will get the total number of tickets that were sold for those 4 days. So let us begin by solving this problem. So here we have, I have already put this down. So in order to find the total number of tickets sold in 4 days, we'll have to first add up the number of tickets sold on the first day with the number of tickets sold on the second day, with the number of tickets sold on the third day, with the number of tickets sold on the final 4th day. When we add up the tickets sold on each of these days, we will get the total number of tickets that were sold over the 4 days that the book exhibition was held in the school. So if we will next write down the tickets that were sold each and every day. Put an equal to sign. Do not forget to put the equal to sign, because the equal to sign tells you that you are continuing this problem. Okay, otherwise there is no continuation left if you skip this equal to sign. So equal to number of tickets sold on first day was 1094. So I put this down here and I add it to the number of tickets sold on the second day, which is 1812. Then I add it to the number of tickets sold on the third day, which was 2050, and I add it to the number of tickets sold on the final fourth day, which was 2751. If we add this up, we'll get our answer, that is the total number of tickets that were sold on all the 4 days. So here I have listed down the numbers. So these are the tickets that were sold on day 1, tickets that were sold on day 2, tickets that were sold on day 3, and tickets that were sold on day 4. And we are going to add this up, and there's only a plus sign over here. That is more than enough to show that we are going to add this 4 different numbers. Note over here, these are all 4-digit numbers. Okay, and this is the digit in the units place, tens place, hundred place, and thousand place. Okay, this is units place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, and this is your thousand place. And note how I have arranged them. For each and every number over here, when it comes to the tickets sold per day, they have been arranged with in the corresponding fashion. All the units place digits are placed one below the other. The tens place are placed one below the other. Hundreds are placed one below the other, and thousands are placed one below the other. So you will not have a tens digit place adding up with the unit place. Okay, all the unit place digits will add up, then the tens place digit will add up, and the hundred place digit will add up, and finally the thousand place. So when it comes to addition, you have to move from your right to your left. That means from units place to thousand place while adding up. We don't start from here and move. That means we don't add up the digits in the thousand place first. We always add up the units in the units place first, then move to the tens place, then add up the digits in the hundreds place, and finally we add up the digits in the thousand place. So let's begin adding up this numbers. So first we have 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1. If we add this separately, this is what we get: 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1. And that will give 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So we put a line over here which should give us a total beneath that. So this here there will be a 7. Then we have to add a 9 plus a 1 plus a 5 plus another 5. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. Okay, so we have 20. Now we cannot fit 20 over here because the 2 will come here. So we only put the digit in the units place down here where it should come, and this 2 we put it over here on top. Why this is so, you can refer to how we you can refer to the video that has been done on how to add multi-digit numbers in the link given below. So we have carried 2 on top. So now we have to add this 0 to this 8 to this 0 again and to this 7, and not to forget the 2 which is already taken on top. So we'll put a 2 over here as well. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 0 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. Once again we put the digit in the units place down here, and we carry 1 on top this way, the digit in the tens place. Once again I'll put a 1 over here, then followed by this one, then followed by this one, then this 2, then this 2. If we add this, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and I'll put a 7 over here. In this way we get the total once we add up this 4 numbers, and the total is 7707. So this 7707 is what? It is the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So we write over here, therefore the total number of tickets sold on 4 days is 7,707. This is our answer. So 7,707 is our answer. So you see how we've got this answer? We've got it by adding the number of tickets that were sold on each and every day. So I hope you have been able to understand and follow how we have done this problem, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching and keep watching for more such videos.